Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use your credit balance on Temu. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up Temu application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, you will be able to find a U tab right over here. Tap onto it. And then you need to go and simply select credit balance right over here. Tap onto it. Before you can use credit, make sure you have connected your credit card or debit card to your Temu account. Once your card is linked, your available credit card will show at the very top of your screen. Now, just add any item to your card and then go to checkout. Now, after you are on the checkout page, all you have to do is simply choose your debit or credit card as your payment option. Temu will automatically apply to eligible orders. And that's it. That is how you can use your credit balance on Temu. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.